How to add music to Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can add music to our Instagram story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add music to our Instagram story, all you have to do is to go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, all you have to do from here is to simply make sure to tap the plus icon that you can find from the top of the screen. And now you can just try to go ahead and select a story that you would like to add. After you select a certain snap or a photo, let's just say that you want to add a music. So for that, tap the sticker icon from the top right, and here simply look for the music sticker. Once you tap the music sticker over here, you should be able to see a list of those options, where what you need to do is you simply need to go ahead and select one of the songs that you would like to use. Now you can choose to add a music only, or you can choose to add a sticker like this, or you can also make sure to choose that you can also drag in and drag out depending upon whatever else you want here. You can pinch in, pinch out, and do whatever else you prefer. This way you can add music to Instagram story. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.